For this tutorial, you will need pink and white yarn, measuring tape, cutler, 4mm hook, marker, and yarn needle. To make front piece, make a slip knot. Chain a total of 85. Once you have 85 chains, start working with half double crochet. Skip one chain, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Once you have 3 loops on your hook, pull through all 3 loops. So this is half double crochet. Continue working half double crochet and complete the row. To start new row, always chain 1 and turn your work. Again, repeat the same process until you have row number 36. I have crocheted till row 36. Fold the piece and mark it into the center. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. I have already crocheted one side of the neckline. Now I'm going to show you how to crochet the other side of the neckline. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook into the next stitch from your marker. Make a decrease into the first stitch. Continue working half double crochet. Mark it into the 5th stitch. Now, Only 2 stitches left in this row, so make a decrease. To start new row, always chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 decrease for the armhole and rest work 1/2 double crochet in all the stitches. Do not decrease into the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. In the previous row, we have ended up with no decrease, so make a decrease. And continue working 1/2 double crochet. Make a decrease into the last 2 stitches. Decrease in every last 2 stitches for the armhole for 5 rows. And after 5 rows of decreasing from the next row, crochet straight, do not decrease into the armhole side. But to make V shape in the middle, if you have decreased in the starting row, then into the next row, end up with no decrease. Continue doing alternate decrease and with no decrease. After crocheting 16 rows for the V-neck, now stop increasing and crochet 6 more rows. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Use the same process for a back piece. Count your stitches. Work 1/2 double crochet the same number of stitches into your back piece. Now join the pieces. Work single crochet all around the neck for the ribbing. After working single crochet, slip stitch into the last stitch. Chain 2 and turn your work. Work double crochet in all the stitches. You'll need to change your second color now. So into the last stitch, work half double crochet. Do not yarn over for the second time. Now insert new color and yarn over. Chain 1 and turn your work. Work front post and back post double crochet in all the stitches. Chain 1 and turn your rock. Now crochet according to your previous row. If front post, then crochet front post, double crochet, and if back post, then crochet back post, double crochet. After crocheting this row, change the previous color and continue crocheting the same process and complete the row. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. For hand and waist ribbing, use only pink yarn and use the same process. First, work single crochet around and continue working the same ribbing with pink yarn. For waist ribbing, work 2.5 inches long. So this is the final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel.